Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll go over how to use your phone as a webcam on PC. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and dropping a like on the video. So, to get started, you want to head over to this website that I'm currently on, that's titled iRun or IRIUN.com. And then what you want to do is you want to download the webcam for Windows. After you've downloaded and accepted the agreement, clicking finish will open up the webcam and then you'll see this here on your desktop. Then now we'll need to go on to our phone. I'm currently on my phone right now and I'm in the Google Play Store and I searched up for iRun and now I'm just going to install this one right here. Now that it's downloaded, we're just going to go ahead and open it. And as you can see here, it's just explaining how it works. You can just click dismiss and then give all the permissions that it asks for, like camera, audio, and then you have to make sure that you're on the same connection, and then there you go. As you can see, it's now displaying on my phone and directly onto my PC. So if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like these. Goodbye.